good morning. How are you? How are you? Okay. Today activity 10 little finger, 10 little toy. Are you ready? Are you ready? 10 little finger, 10 little toy, 2 little eyes, 1 little nose, 2 little ear, 1 little mouth, 2 kiss mama. Good night.